Hola amigos, Señor Mateo here once more, and currently it is time to almorzar. It is time to have lunch, and I'm going to make a quick, easy lunch today. And it's not going to require very many ingredients, and in fact, you yourselves probably have this type of lunch on a pretty regular basis. And this is going to be a type of sandwich. In Spain, we have a sandwich, which is probably just kind of like some sliced bread with something on it, maybe like some cheese or something like that. But then we also have something called a bocadillo, or short, it's called a bocata. Bocadillo or bocata. And on your bocadillo, it's always gonna be on like a baguette type piece of bread, like so. And inside of it, you can put anything you really want. Some of the more common kinds of bocadillos or bocatas are tortilla española, and we've already made a video of tortilla, so a lot of people just refrigerate that, and the next day when it's cold, they'll just stick that in their bocadillo, in their baguette, and then just eat it like a sandwich. Or you can have like calamares, like fried calamari, but calamares, which is one of my all-time favorites. Or one of the more common ones is like the one we're going to make today, which just has sliced chorizo. Chorizo, as you can see here, is a type of sausage. It's red, and it's a cured sausage, generally made out of pork, and it's got some spices in it like garlic and paprika, or pimenton, which is like a type of paprika, and some garlic. And instead of cooking it, my friends, they cure it, meaning it's dried from the salt that's in it, and just it's left to dry, and then it turns into a wonderful sausage. And today we're going to make a really simple sandwich, a simple bocadillo. And the way we're going to do that is the following. We have a piece of bread, or a piece of baguette generally. So I've already taken the liberty to cut that in half, just like that. And I've taken the chorizo out of the package already to let it get to room temperature, because it's going to be a lot more delicious that way. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to layer my chorizo onto my baguette, just like this, like that. And then I'm just going to put the top right back on. And my friends, my bocadillo de chorizo is all ready to go. So let's go try this and see how it tastes. Hola amigos, here we are again, and we're about to eat our bocadillo de chorizo. I can't wait to dig into my bocadillo. I'm just gonna put the bread back on top. I left it on top, off of it, just so you can see what it looked like. And you know what? I'm sure a lot of you are eating sandwiches these days too. So please share with me what kind of sandwich or bocadillo you're eating at home. Right now, I'm gonna try my bocadillo de chorizo. Amigos, this is a very good bocadillo de chorizo. I hope you guys are enjoying your almuerzo, your lunches as well. Adios, amigos.